Well, hello and welcome. It's Julie Cube and I'm here in Australia, in Queensland on a very hot and humid day, but that's all good. I'm going to get excited about being back and in my paint studio and really just feel raring to go now after a real big lull in my painting journey. Just different things happening, I guess, around your life. This kind of video is saying I'm not okay, is meaning that it's okay to be not okay, and just reminding anyone that may be suffering that is feeling not okay, that it is okay to feel that way, but please seek help, or just company, or a friendly voice down the line, whether it be family or friend, and if not, a helpline. There are so many people feeling, as they're called, the blues, hence my colour selection today. And I know it's very sad for a lot of people that may not have family or friends around them, and it can get very daunting. So it's just my little reminder to us all to remind you that it's okay to be not okay, but don't leave yourself in that place. Try and make proactive moves to get yourself out of that. If you're not feeling good, you need to get yourself out of it, because it can get dangerous. So that's just my little bit of soapbox advice to you all. And we all need that at one time or another in our life, and we all absolutely have those stages in our life. Okie doke, righto, I'm going to get on with this. This is so exciting for me, this particular piece, because I haven't actually done this particular composition before, and I'm so excited now that I'm going to go and buy myself a huge canvas to give this a go with. So as I said, I was sticking with my blues, but the outside is phthalo blue, and it's just mixed with my pouring medium. So this canvas was the 50 by 55 canvas, and I just wanted to do something different with the composition. And you know what, this particular composition has so many possibilities. I'm just so excited about it. So as you see, I flooded the outside of the canvas with my fluid acrylics, and then I'm just flooding that center with, that's just, I think it was white. Yes, it was just white paint. So what I'm going to do here, I'm whizzing over with my heat wand, as you do, and I will get at this stage I'm thinking, well, I want to make those edges softer and different. So I get my little babyliss dryer, and I'm actually blowing this out just on low. So I'm making this different composition, and I'm just so excited about this composition. And I don't know, it's just got so many possibilities to fill in the area or not fill in the area, whether you can put a stencil, I'm thinking stencil in the center, or a bloom in the center. There's just so many possibilities. But the way this is basically doing a ghost edge on the composition is like I'm calling it a ghost pour or a ghost blow, because you'll see when I do come down on the piece how wonderful that sort of look is giving that canvas. It just really steps it up a notch. So I'm so excited that I'm sort of doing this. What would you guys call it? It kind of looks to me like a ghosty edge, and then you fill it in with whatever you want, as I said. So really excited about it, loving it. And there you go, ghost technique. So that's the composition for your ghost technique. Now I'm going to fill this in the center my way, and you could do it any different colours, different techniques in that centre bit, and it's just really interesting and fun. So this particular colours that I went with are non-traditional. This is, you probably would think these colours are gonna look good, but I assure you they look absolutely superb. So this was my burnt umber, and I had added metallic silver to it, and it kind of made that sort of creamy cafe latte kind of colour. Now this is my metallic gold, but again it's I customised this particular colour. It's got 50% gold, 50% silver, so I always call it my champagne gold. And obviously what I'm doing at this point is just puddling those colours, and I want to really try and keep the colours minimalistic and not too busy in the colours. So wish me luck with that one. So the next colour is the metallic bronze or copper. I'm not sure whether it was bronze or copper, but so I'm popping that in the centre, and you're just basically taking that time to enjoy the process, as it is art therapy, and sometimes, yes, it can be frustrating, but if you slow yourself down and don't, put too much pressure on yourself, you'll be fine, absolutely fine. So what I'm doing here was to kind of prove a bit of a point that somebody asked me, or just somebody said, if your last colour, can you just put, a normal colour in there? It doesn't have to be what they call a cell activator. Like I've done some of these puddles, and the last bit I put on is, my Amsterdam black mixed with Australian Floetrol, so as it gives a more lacier effect. But somebody said, can you do this just your ordinary paint? And you will see that yes, you absolutely can. You don't have to add anything more to your paint to still get a really, really super duper look. So my next bit will be getting my Bendy straw, which is stainless steel straw. I think I got a pack of 5 from my discount shop, but I have got them down below in my Amazon shop too. So this is just a stainless steel straw, and it has a bendy silicone end, which normally you would drink from the silicone end. But the really good thing about this particular straw is that it's just reusable. I stick it in the dishwasher because it doesn't affect the stainless steel or the bendy end. So look at those colours together, and that's just with the normal, there's nothing in the centre. I will work a bit further with this, so watch it very carefully. Don't leave me now, because I really want you to see how this turns out. Just really spectacular. And like I said, I'm so excited about getting a large canvas, because I think it will be workable on a large canvas with this composition. Absolutely needed this, just a little balloon. Well, it's a normal size balloon, but only blown up a little way, to add the real detail in the centre of my kind of botanical effect. It really does make it look like some fine artist has been in there and done the petals, and it just is so rewarding and wonderful thing to do. Even though twice this week somebody has called me lazy, lazy artist using a balloon. Well, you know what? If you're not a very good artist and you can't do those effects by freehand, do them whatever way you can. And this is my way. So I don't feel very happy about people that feel it's okay to not say anything ever about your art, but then to jump in and call you lazy artist. You know, what's that all about? Crazy, silly. But anyway, there is always the one, isn't there, or 2 or 10 million out there that feel it's okay to put others down. But I am here to say, rise above it all, rise above it all, enjoy your art, enjoy life to the fullest. And I'm feeling wonderful at the moment, and I really hope that you enjoyed this piece. Let me know. Thank you so much, you lovely people. I will be back again tomorrow for art inspiration.